Hey guys, let's review yesterday's math lesson. I'm going to need some crayons. Let's count and see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to move this crayon over to the left. 9 minus 1, that equals 8. Nice work. Now let's subtract the green from the bunch. 9 minus 2 equals 7. That's right. Now let's subtract the blue crayons from our 9. 9 minus 3, that equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to put the red and pink crayons with the blue crayons. I'm going to take them away. So now I have 6. 9 minus 6, that equals 1, 2, 3. 9 minus 6 equals 3. Now I'm going to put one back in the pile. I know I have 9, and 9 minus 5 equals 4. So I drew a garden. It has 5 flowers and 4 carrots. Altogether, that gives me 9. Now a bunny's gonna come along and eat the carrots. That means there will be 5 flowers left in our garden. Now let's draw a number 9. Let's write it. This is the number 9, but how do we know it's a 9 and not something else? I know. Let's get some paper with lines on it, and then we can compare it to some letters and see the differences between a 9 and letters. So I'm going to write my number 9. Here it is, 9. And I think it looks a lot like the letter Q. But the letter Q sits down on the line. It also looks like the letter P, but that letter also sits down on the line. It might also look like a B, but its line goes up, where the 9 line goes down. And what about the letter D? It's really similar, but the 9 just kind of looks like a Q popped up on the line. It looks different. So maybe that means it looks like a capital Q. Well, let's write it and see if a capital Q looks like a 9, because that would be confusing. Phew! Don't worry. The capital Q looks totally different, and the capital P looks kind of like a 9 facing the other way. The important thing to remember is you'll never see a 9 in the middle of a word or with other letters because it's a number. They're different. Now I'm going to do something really silly. I wouldn't actually turn in my math like this, but if I'm just at home and I'm drawing and I'm playing with my numbers, I like to give them faces, like they're talking to each other. I'm going to write an 8, a 9, and a 10 with smiley faces. When you hold them up next to each other, the 9 and the 8 like to chat together all the time. But the 10 does not like to talk to 9. The 10 likes being by themselves. Dear kindergarten, I love you. Have a great day. Goodbye. Love, Mrs. Anghel.